Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Canyon Denali in a Summit White. This one is powered by a 2.7 liter turbo engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you'll find our jet black teak interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides with our Denali badging here in the middle. Of course, if we follow the stitching all the way along to the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls. Up top we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. And inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll find your volume scroll wheel here up top. And in the middle here we do have our dual climate control zones. Below we have our USB-C and USB charge port to go alongside our wireless charging pad, our drive modes, our park brake, and our shifter. We also have 2 cup holders, and inside the middle console we have plenty of storage and space for anything you might need. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks and our seat memory settings. And moving along to the steering wheel here, on the right hand side you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls, heated steering wheel, and our menu selector. On the left hand side you'll find our forward collision alert and our cruise control settings. Up top we do have our heads up display. And if you put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside our rear view camera and all the other settings here down below. This vehicle also does come equipped with a push to start ignition as well as keyless entry and remote start. If we take a look up, you'll find our power controls for our lovely sunroof up top. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our jet black teak interior leather seats with plenty of legroom for anyone sitting back here. And of course we have our USB-C and USB charge port, an AC outlet, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is these cubbies with extra storage. Underneath the seats itself we also have some storage. You'll find the lever at the left or right hand side depending on what side you are looking for. Pop this up and you'll see we have plenty of extra space and storage underneath. We also have our middle cup holder and our sliding rear window. Checking out the exterior here on the Canyon, we do have our classic chrome Denali grille with the front-facing camera, LED headlights, and fog lamps. And moving along to the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims on Bridgestone tires. This vehicle does come equipped with plenty of chrome accents, including our mirrors, on our handles, and on our running boards. We have our keyless entry on our handles, like I mentioned earlier, tint in the rear window, and if we make our way to the back here, we do have our corner assist steps on each side. We have our spare tire underneath, as well as our exhaust. And if we open up the lift gate here, it'll come down hands-free, no problem, to lead you to our spray-on bed liner, and of course, our 120-volt outlet here in the right-hand corner. And that is our 2026 GMC Canyon Denali in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.